Did your wife or girlfriend tell you that 2 inches was enough? Well, I'm here to tell you, she lied, and that's why we're doing 2 inches on each side. Make sure that you get the cheapest and most Chinese part you can. Why? Because getting the good stuff would be too easy. Now, since we got the Chinese version, you know, the good stuff, I hope you guys catch the sarcasm because I only got so much. You're gonna run into a problem here. They did not allow enough room to get a normal size socket in there. 19 millimeters, so guess what? We have to make something because we're poor and we can't go out and buy a special socket. All right, and since that socket didn't fit and I can't afford a real one, we're gonna use power tools. All right, so it looks like we got it all ground down now. A lot smoother, a lot smaller, and a lot more dangerous. Looks like she might break at some point, but this is gonna work for us today. Cool, so we got those all tightened up. Next thing, let's pop these bad boys off, throw your wheel on.